cornerstone of effective coaching and therapy lies in the art of asking the right questions. Delving deeper under the psychological hood and addressing subconscious patterns and beliefs requires a strategic approach. Liberate yourself from core limiting beliefs around career, finances, education, health, relationships, not good enough syndrome, or more. Introducing the Holistic Psychology 7-Step Workbook, a game changer in the realm of personal and professional growth. This comprehensive guide is designed to facilitate profound transformation on both personal and professional fronts. Harnessing the wisdom of holistic psychology, neuroscience, and groundbreaking recoding strategies, this workbook offers a structured approach to liberation. Each step is meticulously crafted to guide practitioners through session-by-session processes, ensuring a methodical and impactful approach. Within its pages lies a treasure trove of therapeutic exercises and insightful questions, self-analysis, and a vast array of techniques tailored to unravel fear, sabotage behaviors, and negative belief patterns. From cognitive behavioral therapy to conflict resolution and solution-focused therapy for actionable results and beyond, this workbook encompasses a comprehensive toolkit of therapeutic modalities. Experience the benefits of mindfulness, visualization, therapy, and advanced perceptual reframing techniques to remove barriers and embark on a journey to unlock hidden potential and healing. These benefits extend beyond the professional realm. Engaging with this workbook on a personal level allows practitioners to embark on their own journey of self-mastery. By identifying and overcoming inherent patterns and subconscious programming, individuals can accelerate their healing process and align with more meaningful existence. This inner work not only unlocks innate potential, but also has a ripple effect, positively impacting family dynamics and liberating generational systems from cyclical patterns of dysfunction. In essence, the Holistic Psychology Workbook is more than just a panacea system. It's a catalyst for profound change. Remove belief saboteurs to remove your limitations and discover a world of opportunity begin to open up for you. Allow more for yourself. This panacea system equips you with all of your therapeutic and coaching needs for your sessions and professional practice. Whether you're a seasoned therapist or budding coach, its insights and techniques empower you to facilitate transformative experiences and create positive change in both your professional practice and personal life. Transform lives, empower yourself, and elevate your practice with a 7-step holistic psychology workbook. You also have the option to become a fully accredited holistic psychology professional and access a complete turnkey business in a box to start or expand your own practice. Join the movement toward holistic healing. Order now and unlock the keys to true healing and transformation.